Okay, today's date is Tuesday, May 26th. I'm going to be reviewing the trade I took today on the S&P 500. Going into market open, the both of the indexes were bearish. Uh, both of them had this gap right here. The 1 hour, both of them were bull. Not ES. ES was not bullish on the 1 hour. Uh, NQ was bullish on the 1 hour. Oh yeah, I gotta remember to do this too. Um, I've been working on taking trades off the 1 minute as well. I didn't. I'm just practicing. Here's a trade you could have taken off the 1 minute. Market opens. We take out this low right here, this low, two bearish, bullish SMTs. NQ is bullish. This candle, this up candle right here is when you would have taken it. Uh, that's also when all these gaps got inversed on NQ. Full take profit here would have been the play. Um, Here's the trade I did take for real. Come up. We're in this 4 hour gap. ES is still bearish on the 1 hour. Bullish on, basically bullish on the 1 4 hour on NQ. We take out these highs right here. Was this London highs? Let's see. This was London highs right here. So that's London. It says New York. That's wrong. I accidentally did that today. And these are London lows as well. Um, Hold on. Mic check. There we go. Had to blow my nose. We see the market structure break on this candle right here. I waited for equilibrium to get hit. That happened right here. Drop down to the 30-second. I need a 30-second confluence. That happened on this inversion. This is where I got filled. And I ended the day with a 3.8 RR. Yep, you heard that right. Best trading day probably I've ever had. Absolutely killed. First TP, equilibrium. Two contracts on here. First TP, equilibrium. Second TP, 79% extension. If I had more contracts, it would have went here, and then final TP would have been here. I didn't have more contracts, only two contracts, two minis on this. So that was the trade, banger trade. Not much more to say. Liquidity sweep, 2 minute market structure, liquidity sweep in the 4 hour gap. 4 hours bearish, 1 hour is bearish. SMT, 2 minute market structure break, 2 minute equilibrium, 30-second continuation. That was the concept going into this. Like I said, I've been working on trying to trade off the 1 minute. That was off the 2 minute. Also, I've been trying to trade off the 1 minute earlier in the day, earlier into the session. That looks like a 1 minute market structure break. Um, and let me see this real quick. Why isn't this correlating? Yeah, so the 1 minute didn't even break structure here. Um, yeah, So that was the trade idea. There was also the 1 minute trade idea too. Risking half of what you normally would on these trades because you can lose a lot more of them. The drawdown can get steeper on these. That doesn't mean the strategy is unprofitable. The strategy is profitable. Just the drawdown can get higher since you're trading more frequently with typically higher RRs. So I would risk less if you're going to drop down to the 1 minute time frame. Other than that, that's it. That's all I got. I've been tracking those 1 minute time frame trades. Thinking about implementing them at half risk reward, half of what I normally risk. So we'll see. That's it.